Mates, most creators struggle to make their next viral video. The secret is that every hit follows a proven formula, and you don't need to start from scratch when you can work from what's already performing. I'm Daniel, and today we're looking at Pippit, a tool from ByteDance that has a feature called Reference Video. It can clone the creative DNA of any viral video, mirroring same flow, same effects, same visuals, same audio on a whole new level. In this video, we'll walk through how it works, what it produces, and whether it's worth your time. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Folks, Pippit is a video creation platform developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok and CapCut. It's built for content creators and marketers who want to move fast without sacrificing structure. The platform covers a range of creation tasks, from product ads to educational content and social clips. But the feature we are focusing on today is reference video, and that's where things get interesting. The concept behind it is simple. Instead of starting from a blank page, you feed Pippit a video that already has the style, pacing, or energy you want. The platform analyzes what makes that clip work and builds a new one that mirrors that foundation. You're essentially working from a proven creative structure rather than guessing at one. Alright friends, let's get into practice. When you open Pippit, you'll see a small lamp icon near the top of the interface. That's your entry point for reference video. Click on it and you'll see a clear description. Upload a video and the platform will mimic its script, visuals, and overall framework to generate a new one. For this test, I'll use a short reference clip and select the model Sora 2. Right away, Pippit automatically inserted a prompt describing what the agent should focus on: the pacing, the visual structure, the tone. You don't have to write a single word if you don't want to. That part is handled for you. Mates, if you have a specific direction in mind, there's a comments field for that. The platform keeps the core structure and tone of the reference. It just steers the output toward whatever topic you provide. Before processing starts, there's a confirmation screen. You need to verify that the uploaded content is yours and doesn't violate any laws or platform rules. It's worth taking a second to actually read it. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Once you confirm, a new page opens with a live chat view. You can watch the video being analyzed in real time as it happens. The result comes through fairly quickly. Let's first look at the original reference clip I uploaded. And now let's take a look at the result Pippit generated. The output carries over the rhythm and structure of the reference, even as the content shifts to your topic. It's a solid starting point without having to build from zero. Folks, the platform is designed to pick up the visual rhythm, pacing, and overall flow of a short video and translate that structure into a new output. Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, you start from a format that already works. Let's compare another case. Here's the original clip against the version Pippit generated, using that same creative structure. The platform keeps the timing and visual logic consistent while adapting the content to a new output. Because the process is automated, generating multiple variations only takes a few minutes. And since Pippit provides free daily credits, you can keep experimenting with different formats whenever you want. My friends, here's the summary. Reference video does what it promises. You hand it a proven structure, and it rebuilds that foundation around your own content. It's not reinventing anything, it's making the starting point easier and faster. For creators who already know what performs well in their space, This saves real time on the structural side. You're not guessing at what makes something work, you're just applying it. Pippit is free to sign up and you get new credits every day. Friends, if you've been sitting on a content idea and just haven't had the time to build it properly, now is a good time to try. What kind of video would you most want to recreate with a tool like this? Drop your ideas in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.